Hello student. From today we start alcohol, phenol and ethers. In this chapter, alcohol and phenols are organic hydroxy compound because they contain hydroxyl group as a functional group in their molecule. This is called as hydroxyl group and it is act as functional group, and basically these are organic hydroxy compound. Now we can observe the introduction about the alcohol and phenol. म्हणजे आज आपल्याला पाहिजे आहे सुरुवातीला इंट्रोडक्शन अल्कोहलची आणि फिनॉलची पाहू, बिकॉज बोथ आर ऑर्गॅनिक हायड्रॉक्सी कंपाउंड. कन्सिडर हियर द कंपाउंड एलिफॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन, फॉर एक्झाम्पल नॉर्मल ब्यूटेन. दिस इज वी नो दैट नॉर्मल ब्यूटेन इट इज एलिफॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन. इफ we remove one hydrogen atom from this normal butane by only one hydroxyl group, then we get the compound CH3, CH2, 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 OH. If we remove two hydrogen atoms from this normal butanes, means aliphatic hydrocarbon, by means of two hydroxyl group, so we get the compound like as CH3 CH2 CH2 CHOH, again CH2OH. Listen here, both hydroxyl group are situated on different carbon atom. Again, if we remove three hydrogen atom from this aliphatic hydrocarbon, that is normal butane, by means of three hydroxyl group, then we get the alcohol has formula CH3CHOH, again CHOH and CH2OH. Similarly, if we remove the four hydrogen atom from this aliphatic hydrocarbon by means of four hydroxyl group, we get the formula CH2OH, again CHOH, next CHOH and CH2OH. We can observe here, आपल्याला दिसून राहिलेलं आहे की या ॲलिफॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन मधून आपण एक किंवा दोन किंवा तीन किंवा चार हायड्रोजन काढून आपण तेवढ्याच प्रमाणात हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप ठेवलेले आहे आणि या सर्व कंपाऊंडला आपण काय म्हणतो, अल्कोहोल म्हणतो. इट कंटेन ओनली वन हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप, इट इज कॉल्ड एज मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल. It contains two OH group, dihydric alcohol, it is trihydric alcohol, and this is the polyhydric alcohol. Means it contains more than three OH group. It means it is the derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbon, and they can be derived by replacing one or more hydrogen atom from this aliphatic hydrocarbon by equal number of hydroxyl group. Hence, in short, hydroxyl derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons are called as alcohol. Again, we can observe one more example like as CH2, CH, CH3. We know that it is also the aliphatic hydrocarbon. It is known as propene. It is an example of alkene. And when we remove one hydrogen atom from this carbon atom of this propene by means of only one OH group, so what happens? We get the compound CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2OH. It is also alcohol. From this idea we get the clear concept. All are the hydroxyl derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbon. आपल्याला माहित आहे अल्केन, अल्कीन, अल्काइन्स हे सर्व कशाचे एक्झाम्पल आहे, हायड्रोकार्बनचे. बट ॲज दे कंटेन द ओपन चेन ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम मीन्स दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज ॲलिफॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन. सो हायड्रोक्सिल डेरिव्हेटिव्हज ऑफ ॲलिफॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन्स आर कॉल्ड ॲज अल्कोहोल्स. नाउ द फिनॉल हियर. नेक्स्ट इज द फिनॉल. सो व्हॉट आर फिनॉल? फिनॉल म्हणजे काय आपल्याला जर पाहायचं असेल तर वी नो दॅट दिस इज द बेन्झीन, and from benzene when we remove one or more hydrogen atom by means of hydroxyl group, then we get the compound like this one. So it is called as aromatic compound in which OH group is attached directly to the carbon atom of benzene ring. It means it is hydroxyl derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon, because benzene is an example of aromatic hydrocarbon. Also, when we take the example naphthalene, then we get the compound here alpha naphthol. Means these are the hydroxyl derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon. So hydroxyl derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon in which hydroxyl group is directly attached to the carbon atom of benzene ring are called as phenol. This is the introduction part. Now we can observe the classification of alcohol. आपल्याला अल्कोहोलची डेफिनेशन माहित झाली. Aliphatic hydroxyl compound which are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atom from hydrocarbon by equal number of hydroxyl group are called as alcohol. No doubt. Now the classification of alcohol on the basis of number of hydroxyl group present in the alcohol. Alcohols are classified into four types. Number one, monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. So what are monohydric alcohol? The alcohol which contain only one hydroxyl group in their molecule is called as monohydric alcohol. For example, CH3, CH2, OH, ethyl alcohol. Also, second, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH, normal propyl alcohol. Moreover, CH2, double bond CH, CH2, OH. It is also an example of monohydric alcohol. Next, dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. So what are dihydric alcohol? The alcohol which contain two hydroxyl group in their molecule, which are situated at different carbon atoms, are called as dihydric alcohol. Just for example, CH3, CH2, CH3. We know that it is the aliphatic hydrocarbon, that is normal propane. We have to remove two hydrogen atom by means of two OH group. So here we get CH3, CH, OH, CH2, OH. So this is called as dihydric alcohol. The compound which are obtained by replacing two hydrogen atom from aliphatic hydrocarbon, that is alkane, by means of two hydroxyl group, so we get dihydric alcohol. So what is dihydric alcohol? The alcohol which contain two hydroxyl group in their molecule, which are situated at different carbon atom, is called as dihydric alcohol. And dihydric alcohol is also known as glycol or diols. याला आपण ग्लायकॉल म्हणतो किंवा डायोल्स म्हणतो. जस्ट हियर propylene glycol. What is the name of this compound? Propylene glycol. One more example, CH2OH. CH2OH. This is called as ethylene glycol. So these are the example of dihydric alcohol. Now the third is trihydric alcohol. Third is trihydric alcohol. So trihydric alcohol, what do you mean by trihydric alcohol? It is the alcohol which contain three hydroxyl group in their molecule, and these hydroxyl group are situated at different carbon atom. What is the required condition for that? Example, they must be situated at different carbon atom. It is an example of trihydric alcohol. So what is trihydric alcohol? The alcohol which contains three hydroxyl group in their molecule is called as trihydric alcohol. In trihydric alcohol, the 3 hydroxyl groups are situated at different carbon atoms. So, the common example of trihydric alcohol is glycerol. The name of this compound is glycerol. It is also known as glycerin, but it is glycerol. Now, it is also known as triol. It is known as triol. So, the IUPAC name of this glycerol is propane 1,2,3 triol. Propane 1,2,3 triol. आता इथे नाव कसे पडले आपण हे nomenclature system मध्ये पाहू. Now, trihydric alcohol, they contain 3 hydroxyl group in their molecule. Example is glycerol. So, last one is polyhydric alcohol. Polyhydric alcohol. So, what is polyhydric alcohol? Listen here. The alcohol which contain more than 3 OH group in their molecule. The alcohol which contain more than 3 OH group in their molecule, they are called as polyhydric alcohol. So, the example is CH, OH, CH, OH, CH, OH, CH, OH, here CH, OH and CH2OH. यामध्ये किती OH ग्रुप आहे? 1 2 3 4 5 6. याला आपण शॉर्ट मध्ये असं सुद्धा लिहू शकतो CH2OH, CHOH by 4 and CH2OH. Means it is the alcohol which contain more than 3 OH group. Hence it is known as polyhydric alcohol. So what are polyhydric alcohol? The alcohol which contain more than 3 hydroxyl group in their molecule is called as polyhydric alcohol, and the name of this example is sorbitol. What is the name of this compound? Is sorbitol. So in this way, listen here, alcohols are classified into 4 types. Means depending upon the number of hydroxyl group present in their molecule, alcohols are classified into 4 types: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol and polyhydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol containing only 1 hydroxyl group, example ethyl alcohol. Dihydric alcohol containing 2 hydroxyl group, that is glycol. Next, trihydric alcohol containing 3 OH group in their molecule, while polyhydric alcohol contain more than 4 hydroxyl group in their molecule. In this way, alcohol is classified into 4 types: monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric alcohol. Now, we can observe the monohydric alcohol. After then, monohydric alcohol. The alcohol which is obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom from aliphatic hydrocarbon like alkane by means of only 1 hydroxyl group is called as monohydric alcohol. So this is the general type formula of monohydric alcohol, while the general molecular formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. This is the general molecular formula of monohydric alcohol. Now, after that, the classification of monohydric alcohol. After then, the classification of monohydric alcohol. Listen here carefully. The classification of monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohols are classified on the basis of type of hybridized carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached. It means that in monohydric alcohol, this OH group is attached to the carbon atom. It may be sp3 hybridized, or sometimes it may be sp2 hybridized here. We know that. It is the saturated carbon atom. And now these are the unsaturated carbon atom. It means it is the sp3 hybridized carbon atom to which OH group is attached. And here the sp2 hybridized carbon atom to which OH group is attached. On the basis of type of hybridized carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached, these monohydric alcohols are classified into two types. Number one, here alcohol means monohydric alcohol containing sp3 hybridized OH bond. sp3 hybridized OH bond. Just here, like as this one, sp3 hybridized OH bond. First, in this alcohol, the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of the alkyl group. Means it is attached to the alkyl group. So these are also three types. Number one, primary alcohol. Next, secondary alcohol. And third is tertiary alcohol. Here, what is primary alcohol? We know that CH3, CH2, OH, example. Again, C2H5, CH2, OH, and etc. In this case, you can observe the hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon atom which is directly attached to only one other carbon atom. A carbon atom which is directly attached to only one other carbon atom or no any other carbon atom, such carbon atom is called as primary carbon atom. Here, in this case, OH group is attached to the primary carbon atom. It is also the primary carbon atom. But जेव्हा तुम्ही याला sp3 hybridized carbon म्हणून पासाल तो we can observe here the primary carbon atom is always sp3 hybridized carbon atom. या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये हा जो कार्बन ॲटम आहे की ज्याचं नेचर प्रायमरी कार्बन ॲटम आहे, पण हा कोणता ॲटम राहिलेला आहे sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन ॲटम. आणि म्हणून यामध्ये आपण या प्रकारच्या अल्कोहोलचं डिव्हायडेशन कशामध्ये केलं, प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल. लिहिताना आपल्याला फक्त एवढं सांगायचं आहे, समजून घेताना एवढं समजायचं आहे, the alcohol which contain hydroxyl group attached to the primary carbon atom. So this is the example ethyl alcohol. Now this is the normal propyl alcohol. And जर तुम्ही observe केलं, it is the alkyl group. So the general type formula of this primary alcohol is RCH2OH. RCH2OH. Now in this case, single bond CH2OH group, it is the characteristic functional group of the primary alcohol. It is the example of primary alcohol. This is the general type formula of primary alcohol. What is the general type formula of primary alcohol? RCH2OH. And now in this formula, means in this primary alcohol, single bond CH2OH group is act as a primary alcoholic group. It is act as characteristic functional group of the primary alcohol. हा तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवावा लागेल. सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2OH group is called as primary alcoholic group and it is characteristic functional group. Now second, the secondary alcohol here. Secondary alcoholic group, example isopropyl alcohol. Example is isopropyl alcohol. Next, secondary butyl alcohol CH3, C2H5, CHOH. So what do we mean by secondary alcohol? The first condition, in secondary alcohol hydroxyl group is attached to the secondary carbon atom. या ठिकाणी सुद्धा हा secondary carbon atom आहे. हा सुद्धा कोणता आहे, secondary carbon atom. मग सेकंडरी कार्बन आयटम म्हणजे काय? द कार्बन आयटम which is directly attached to two other carbon atom. जो एक कार्बन आयटम दुसऱ्या दोन कार्बनला डायरेक्टली अटॅच असतो त्याला आपण सेकंडरी कार्बन म्हणतो. इट इज द नेचर ऑफ दिस कार्बन आयटम बट बेसिकली दीज आर sp3 हायब्रिडाइज. म्हणजे हे कोणत्या आहे? इट इज सेकंडरी sp3 हायब्रिडाइज कार्बन आयटम आपण म्हणू शकत नाही पण आपल्याला लक्षात येईल या ठिकाणी. सो इट इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल. आणि तुम्ही जर ऑब्झर्व केलं तर हा मिथिल ग्रुप आहे, हा सुद्धा मिथिल ग्रुप आहे, हा मिथिल ग्रुप आहे, हा इथिल ग्रुप आहे. मीन्स ऑल दीज आर अल्किल ग्रुप. नाउ द जनरल टाइप फॉर्म्युला ऑफ सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल इज R2CHOH. याला तुम्ही असे लिहा किंवा या हायड्रोजनला R. We can use this formula in this way. So it is secondary carbon atom. And when we remove this alkyl group, so double bonded CHOH group, it is act as the functional group, means characteristic functional group of the secondary alcohol. So the example of secondary alcohol again. Listen, what are secondary alcohol? The alcohol in which hydroxyl group is attached to the secondary carbon atom is called as secondary alcohol. Example, isopropyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol. Now, the general type formula of secondary alcohol is R2CHOH. काय फॉर्म्युला याचा? R2CHOH. आणि यामध्ये जो राहणारा फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे whose formula is double bond CHOH group, it is known as secondary alcoholic group. But both are the sp3 hybridized. म्हणजे यामध्ये सुद्धा कोणता sp3 hybridized OH bond. Next, tertiary alcohol. The third is tertiary alcohol. So what are tertiary alcohol? We learned in 11th standard the alcohol in which OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. The alcohol in which hydroxyl group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom, this is the tertiary carbon atom, is called as tertiary alcohol. It is an example of tertiary alcohol whose name is tertiary butyl alcohol. What is the name of this compound? Tertiary butyl alcohol. यामध्ये हा जो कार्बन आहे it is sp3 hybridized, but the nature of this carbon atom is tertiary. What do you mean by tertiary carbon atom? A carbon atom which is directly attached to three other carbon atoms. आता तुम्ही म्हणसाल हायड्रोजन नाही. Here it is the tertiary carbon atom. Yes, a carbon atom which is directly attached to the three other carbon atoms. Hence it is act as tertiary carbon atom. So the example of the tertiary alcohol is tertiary butyl alcohol. Again, one more example. CH3C, CH3, C2H5OH. It is also tertiary pentyl alcohol. Now, the general type formula of tertiary alcohol is R3COH. R3COH, and here the characteristic functional group is triply bonded OH. It is known as tertiary alcoholic group. Again listen. The alcohol containing sp3 hybridized OH bond. So in this case hydroxyl group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom present in the alkyl group. On the basis of this fact, they are further classified into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So what is primary alcohol? The alcohol in which hydroxyl group is attached to the primary carbon atom is called as primary alcohol. Example is ethyl alcohol and other. So the general type formula of primary alcohol is RCH2OH. Which one? RCH2OH, and the functional group is CH2OH. Next, secondary alcohol. The alcohol in which hydroxyl group is attached to the secondary carbon atom is called as secondary alcohol. isopropyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol. These are the example of secondary alcohol, and the general type formula of secondary alcohol is R2CHOH, where double bond CHOH group is called as secondary alcoholic group. It is act as characteristic functional group. Now the tertiary alcohol, the alcohol in which hydroxyl group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom, is called as tertiary alcohol. Example, tertiary butyl alcohol. Next, tertiary pentyl alcohol. General type formula is R3COH, where triply bonded COH group is called as tertiary alcoholic group. Primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, they have formula primary alcohol, secondary and tertiary alcohol. In this case, OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Listen here carefully. हा OH ग्रुप sp3 हायब्रिडाइज कार्बन ॲटमला अटॅच आहे आणि हा जर पुन्हा आणखीन ह्या अल्किल ग्रुप मधल्या सेकंडरी कार्बन ॲटम म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी अल्किल ग्रुप मधल्या sp2 हायब्रिडाइज कार्बन ॲटमला जर अटॅच झाला तर इट कन्व्हर्टेड इनटू ॲलिलिक ॲज वेल ॲज बेन्झिलिक अल्कोहोल. कसे होतात ते पाहूत आपण. जस्ट हिअर द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल. वी नो दॅट it is the primary carbon atom. It is the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. If we remove this alkyl group by means of CH2 double bond CH, means when OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom and this carbon atom further attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, then it is act as allylic alcohol. What is the name of this alcohol? Allylic alcohol. And on the basis of this fact, the second type of alcohol is allylic alcohol. So this is an example of allylic alcohol. Now in this case, CH2 actually this bond, this carbon is act as allylic carbon atom. It is act as allylic carbon atom. And the nature of this allylic carbon atom is primary carbon atom. Now, in this way, it is an example of allylic alcohol. So, when we again take one more example, CH2CH here. एक अल्किल ग्रुप पुन्हा जर आपण जर जोडला तर हा जो कार्बन आहे इट बिकम सेकंडरी कार्बन ॲटम. सो इन दिस केस दिस इज एन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सेकंडरी ॲलिलिक अल्कोहोल. इट इज एन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सेकंडरी ॲलिलिक अल्कोहोल. नेक्स्ट, when we remove this hydrogen atom by taking one more alkyl group, then it becomes tertiary allylic alcohol. In this way, what are allylic alcohol? These are the alcohol in which OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is further attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, or next to the carbon-carbon double bond, are called as allylic alcohol. Listen here. What are allylic alcohol? The alcohol in which OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon-carbon double bond are called as allylic alcohol. And they may be three types: primary allylic alcohol, secondary allylic alcohol, and it is an example of tertiary allylic alcohol. Now, if the third part of this classification of monohydric alcohol containing sp3-OH bond, we know that it is the primary alcohol. Just here we can take the formula RCH2OH. Here, when we remove R by CH2 double bond CH, means secondary sp2 hybridized carbon atom, then it converted into allylic alcohol. If we remove this alkyl group by means of benzene here, then the alcohol, the nature means such type of alcohol are called as benzylic alcohol. Here we can observe This is the benzene ring, and this carbon atom is called as benzylic carbon atom. This carbon atom is called as benzylic carbon atom. आणि म्हणून प्रायमरी सेकंडरी टर्शियरी कार्बन मध्ये जर अल्किल ग्रुप आपण चेंजेस केला आणि यामधला sp3 हायब्रिडाइज कार्बन ॲटम पुढे जर sp2 हायब्रिडाइज कार्बन ॲटमला अटॅच केला तर याची पुन्हा दोन प्रकारामध्ये कन्वर्शन होतात, एक ॲलिलिक अल्कोहोल आणि दुसरा कोणता अल्कोहोल, बेन्झिलिक अल्कोहोल. नाउ बेन्झिलिक अल्कोहोल. नेक्स्ट हियर द थर्ड पार्ट इज बेन्झिलिक अल्कोहोल. So what are benzylic alcohol? Here the example are CH2OH. The name of this benzylic alcohol here 1-phenyl-methanol. What is the name of this compound? 1-phenyl-methanol. It is methyl alcohol and one hydrogen has been replaced by the phenyl group. Therefore, the name of this compound is 1-phenyl-methanol. Actually, one benzyl alcohol here. Next, we can use the second member here CH3 CHOH. आता याच फॉर्म्युल्यापैकी एका अल्किल ग्रुपमध्ये आपण फिनिल ग्रुप घेतला आणि दुसऱ्या या ठिकाणी जो हायड्रोजन आयटम आहे तो काढला आणि एक अल्किल ग्रुप घेतला, म्हणजे हा सेकंडरी आपण अल्कोहोल मध्ये एका अल्किल ठिकाणी बेन्झीन घेतला आणि दुसऱ्या अल्किल ठिकाणी मिथिल ग्रुप घेतला. सो इट इज ॲक्ट एज सेकंडरी कार्बन आयटम, मीन्स सेकंडरी बेन्झिलिक कार्बन आयटम. बट हियर यू कॅन ऑब्झर्व व्हॉट आर बेन्झिलिक अल्कोहोल. बेन्झिलिक alcohols are those alcohol in which OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the benzene. Here is also OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the benzene ring are called as benzylic alcohol. So here the nature of this carbon is primary, therefore it is called as primary benzylic alcohol. And here this carbon atom is directly attached to two other carbon atoms, hence this benzylic alcohol is act as secondary benzylic alcohol. And when we remove one more hydrogen atom by means one more alkyl group, then this carbon atom is converted into tertiary carbon atom. Therefore it is an example of tertiary benzylic alcohol. In this way there are three types of benzylic alcohol: primary, secondary and tertiary. Next, another type of monohydric alcohols are the alcohol which contain alcohol containing sp2 hybridized carbon OH bond. So these are the monohydric alcohol in which hydroxyl group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the carbon-carbon double bond. For example, CH2 double bond CHOH. The nature of this carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Actually nature is primary and it is act as sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and the name of this alcohol is vinyl alcohol. What is the name of this alcohol? Vinyl alcohol. So what are alcohol containing sp2 hybridized OH bond? These are the alcohol in which OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the carbon-carbon double bond are called as vinylic alcohol. They are also known as vinylic alcohol. So vinylic alcohol, here you can observe only one hydrogen atom present. If we remove this hydrogen atom by taking one alkyl group like as methyl group, then the nature of this carbon atom is secondary. It means vinylic alcohols are only two types. primary vinylic alcohol and it is secondary vinylic alcohol. This one is the primary vinylic alcohol and it is secondary vinylic alcohol. Listen here again. दुसऱ्या भाषेत आपल्याला सांगू शकतो की ज्या अल्कोहोलमध्ये OH ग्रुप हा व्हिनिल कार्बन ॲटमला अटॅच असतो, म्हणजे sp2 हायब्रिडाइज कार्बन ॲटम ऑफ द व्हिनिल ग्रुप, त्यांना सुद्धा आपण व्हिनिलिक अल्कोहोल म्हणतो. नो डाउट these are the example means of alcohol containing sp2 hybridized OH bond. So in this way monohydric alcohols are classified into two types: alcohol containing sp3 hybridized OH bond and second is alcohol containing sp2 hybridized OH bond. sp3 hybridized OH bond and sp2 hybridized OH bond.